Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy method on how to check your mouse DPI on Windows. It's a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First things first. Ensure that mouse acceleration is disabled in your settings. This not only helps with accurate DPI measurement but is also beneficial for building muscle memory and improving your overall mouse aim. To disable mouse acceleration, head over to the Windows search bar at the bottom left. Type in mouse settings, and in the results, select the corresponding option that is mouse settings. Once you're in the mouse settings, click on additional mouse options that is in the small font at the top right corner. In the mouse properties box that pops up, navigate to the pointer options tab. Make sure to turn off enhanced pointer precision under the motion tab. With that done, you can exit out of the settings. Now, open your preferred browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this demonstration. In the search bar, type DPI Analyzer, and when you type it, hit enter. Look for the website www.mousesensitivity.com in the search results. It should be labeled DPI Analyzer, Mouse Sensitivity Community. You can find a direct link to the website in the top comment for your convenience. When you click on it, a new window will appear. Once on the website, scroll down until you see a table and a ruler underneath. In the target distance box, enter 1 as this signifies that you want to measure your DPI by moving your mouse 1 inch across your mouse pad in real life. Now, here comes the fun part. Click and hold the red target on the ruler. Then drag your mouse 1 inch to the right in real life. It might take a few tries to get it just right. But once you feel satisfied, look for your actual DPI just under the table in green. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to check your mouse DPI on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.